Good morning. Good morning.
Well, I'm putting another one on so you find it.
Oh, thank you.
I'll put another one on for Chris. So we would just...
Kids' kitchen in there, Van.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's brilliant, that.
Yeah. Well, you got one, didn't you? Tried it.
I got one, tried it, and then I'd said to Dave about it, because we're on a forum that does it all.
Yeah.
And they went and got two because they were going to do the L shape.
Yeah.
But then I said, you know what? So, but behind that thing, there's another good 3 inches, 4 inches.
Yeah.
I'd rather take that out and...
Right. Sharpen my knife.
You're going to sharpen your knife.
I'll sharpen my knife.
Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm doing in a workshop. 8 strokes. And then 8 strokes in return on the other side. So you're always going towards the blade.
Because if you're doing it away, if you're doing it the other way, then you push the material to the edge.
Correct.
It's kind of like mushrooming up.
Correct.
There,
Yeah. So yeah, you basically keep doing that till it feels semi-sharp, and you can get any nicks or any flat spots out with the 800 grit.
So just like that.
Yep. So you can feel, once you lay it on, you can feel how that you're sat on the flat of it. That's it. It's the action of it gliding over that's doing the work for you. You don't, because otherwise, what if you try to apply too much pressure or the wrong angle, you actually start to cut into the stone, and you'll damage your blade at the same time.
Yeah, the stone will be fine.
Yeah.
So rather than cutting into it, you now
Yeah,
pulling away
yeah, I
from it.
thought you.
Did you say 100 on each side?
Yep.
Yeah.
So another,
It's like a polishing.
yeah, another 80.
Do you mind if I?
Go for it, man. Go
in?
for it. Yeah, go for it. Yeah. So there's your stand. There's your 1200. That's the 800.
Is this the next one, Joyce?
Yep.
1200.
Yeah. What are you going to do with it? Show you, man. Lay it on.
It's not, you know, it's not spotless. No, people don't want it to be. No, actually, Ryan's did a pretty perfect job there.
Yeah.
Still, there's still machine marks in it.
Yeah.
From all those years ago.
They have started to go over it.
If you just kept going at it, it'd go.
Sharp.
Yeah, it's just a little bit
Where's the pock?
in this pocket.
In his pocket.
Fuck, because of ice.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just come to me then, because I didn't hear what.
I'd make these. So just a bit of
Oh,
dowel,
I've got one of them actually.
a little bit of dowel, and a bit of different grades of wet. I gave you that bag to do for me axe and me saw.
That's ridiculous, that.
You still send it home anyway.
Yeah.
Got left off both the parents, so that can't live with them.